First Alert 5 weather.
Well, we have issued a severe weather alert day. We've already started to see thunderstorms move throughout our area. This is going to be throughout the afternoon and into those evening hours. We could see some up to lime-sized hail, so that's about 2 inches. And some of the other threats that we could see is some stronger wind gusts up to around 70 miles an hour, some localized flooding with some of these storms, and we also can't rule out an isolated tornado as these storms progress through southeastern Colorado. So make sure you have ways to receive weather alerts as we go on throughout the afternoon. So this is the severe thunderstorm watch that we have seen throughout our area. So most of us are included in this, and this is going to go until around 11 p.m. tonight. So let's take a look at what we're currently looking at across radar, and you can see these storms have really started to pop up, especially in northern Colorado. But as we take a look towards the Springs, we had a severe thunderstorm warning pop up earlier today. So let's zoom in here. So we are still tracking a severe thunderstorm warning around Fountain right now. This is going to have some hail associated with it, probably some localized flooding as well, and some small hail associated with this. And that's going to go around until 4:45. So we do have another storm. This was issued for a severe thunderstorm warning, but that has since dissipated. But we could still see some stronger wind gusts and maybe some pea-sized hail associated with that as well. So let's take a look at what is really going on here. So this is the storm energy map. So this basically takes into consideration all of the moisture that's in our atmosphere, all of the daytime heating that we have, and shows how much energy is in our atmosphere. So as you can see, those lighter green colors, that's what these storms are tapping into as we go on throughout the evening. So that's why these storms are really starting to pop off. But as we go into the afternoon and overnight hours, we're going to have a cold front come through over the Palmer Divide, and that's going to help to push out some of that energy. But that doesn't mean those storms are technically going to dissipate. We still could see some in southeastern Colorado as we go into those afternoon hours as well. But this was just a look to see what some of those storms were tapping into and why we're seeing some of those storms right now. So let's take a look ahead to see what we're in for our night. So we are going to be seeing some stronger storms around the Springs area, so be prepared for that, especially around that dinner time hour. So if you are out and about tonight, you may want to have some dinner inside because we will be having some stronger storms come through the Springs area, and we could see some hail and some strong winds associated with that as well. So this is going to be around that 6:30 mark. Those storms are going to continue to start popping up, and they're going to move southeastward. And look at this. You can really start to see that line moving through, and even towards La Junta, you might want to watch out too. So again, hail is going to be a threat along with these storms as well. So keep that in mind as we go on throughout the evening, and that's going to continue to push towards southeastern Colorado, towards Springfield. So just keep that in mind as we go on throughout the rest of our day, and that's that cold front that I was talking about earlier. That's going to push on through, giving us some better conditions. So those overnight lows for tonight will be in those lower 50s as that cold front will move through tonight. As we look at tomorrow, though, we will be around 73 for the Springs, 80 in Pueblo, and some 80s across the southeastern plains as well. So let's take a look at your 7-day forecast. So we do have a chance of seeing some more showers for Monday and Tuesday, the beginning of the work week. So we just have that at an impact scale of 2. So we're going to have partly cloudy conditions in the morning. By the time we get to the afternoon, that's when we're going to start to see some of those afternoon showers popping up. Pueblo, we're going to be in those 80s until about Friday, and it's going to be hot. So make sure you're aware of that. And as for Canyon, we're going to be in those 90s at the later half of the week.
Are you